Mastering English. Unlocking the power of articles as adjectives. Hello language explorers. Welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to delve into a truly unique area, articles as adjectives. That's right. We're going to explore how the humble articles a, an, and the work as adjectives in the English language. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of our main topic, it's essential to grasp what articles are. Articles are short words that come before nouns. In English, there are two types, definite and indefinite articles. The definite article in English is the. We use the when we're talking about something specific or something that has been previously mentioned, is unique, or is common knowledge. For example, the moon is bright tonight. There is only one moon, so it's specific. I bought the car we saw yesterday. The car was previously mentioned, so it's specific. On the other hand, we have indefinite articles, which are a, and, n. We use these when we're talking about something in general or something that's not specific. For example, I saw a dog in the park. Any dog, not a specific one. She is an artist. She is one of many artists. So, you may be wondering, how do these articles work as adjectives? Well, adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, right? In the case of articles, they modify nouns by limiting or clarifying their meaning. When we use an article, we give extra information about the noun, like its definiteness or indefiniteness. Consider these examples. He gave me a rose. Here, a is an indefinite article indicating that it's any rose, not a specific one. The sun is shining brightly. Here, the is a definite article, indicating that it's the specific sun we all know. See how articles work as adjectives now. Great! And that's a wrap for today's lesson on articles as adjectives. Remember, articles are small but mighty words in English. They may seem simple, but they carry a significant role in the way we communicate specificity or generality of the nouns. Keep practicing, and you'll master the use of these magical little words in no time. Until next time, happy learning!